What it do, YouTube? Hey, one time for the one time, it is your girl Minnie, and I am back at it with another flipping video. If you are new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can get notified anytime I upload a new video, because you don't want to miss out on any of these good vibes that I have going on over here. Today, as you can see by the title, I am doing the Juvia's Place Wahala palette. Wahala? Ahala? No. So yeah, I went the simple route. I feel like I've been doing this color for the last couple of eye looks, but they're kind of different in their own way. I definitely should have did one of these, because these, let me show you this. Bruh, look at that. How, Sway? Look at this. How, Sway? Juvia's Place palettes is always pigmented, but these glitter pots take the cake. So yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, then let's get into this video. I'm like really gravitating towards this corner right here. So let's see. So I'm gonna go into Busybody first, which is this nice pink shade, and put that on the outer crease. Juvia's Place colors is always on point. I know this is gonna stain. So now that I have that, I'm gonna go into Woke, which is this purple, and put that next to the pink. Then I'm gonna go into Unsilenced, which is this nice color right here. I can't say if it's peach or what, but okay. I'm gonna go into BU, which is this nice plum shade on the outer crease. Put some more of that Unsilenced in the inner corner, because I need it to pop out. Look at that. That is gorgiana. I'm gonna put this Pride all on the lid without even cutting it or anything. Just put it all on the lid. See what I'm saying? So I did my face, and now I'm gonna put this purple Woke. That's my mirror. Hold on. Purple Woke under the waterline. I have on these lashes. SHAN's BEAUTEE lashes and brow. I forgot the name of these lashes. I will leave it right here once I figure it out. I'm really loving these lashes now. At first I thought they were like too big for my face, but now they're like, but they still look good, right, babe? They still look good. I'm gonna get a little brush. Put the purple underneath the waterline. Fix Plus. Where's my fan? I'm gonna use my Starstruck Belle per usual. That's like my fave. Put the moles back on my face. The moles mean you're beautiful. No. I'm loving this hair. If you want to see the review on this hair, I will definitely link it down below. But that is the finished makeup look. If you like this video, please give this video a big fat thumbs up. And until next time, peace.